I really feel like being on this campus has really encouraged me to take risks and to travel to new places. And through that, I've been able to learn a lot about different cultures and history and all sorts of things that otherwise I wouldn't have been able to learn about.
I think one of my favorite things about studying philosophy and religious studies and kind of how it's shaped my experience being at UNI is that nothing ever feels forced. There's very few classes in our program that you have to take. Most of it is you're taking it because you want to, and I think that's really fun because everyone in there wants to be in there. It's not something to just check off, on the list.
Our programs are distinctive because our faculty are exceptional. They're excellent teachers in the classroom, they create great classes, they run great classes, but they're also leaders in their field. They're leaders in their research. We have people on our faculty who are nationally and even internationally recognized experts in the things that they study, and that's going to shape everything you do in the classroom and everything you do in our programs. One of the things that's great about our department is that we're a real center for excellence in the humanities at UNI.
Right now, history, philosophy, religious studies, along with some other humanities, they're working on a humanities hub and building that relationship with organizations in the Cedar Valley and beyond to just offer students the opportunity to take paid internships in areas that really need it.
I think UNI has given me a lot of confidence knowing that I can do this, especially the field experiences that I've been able to do inside of the schools. Being able to have that practical hands-on experience that have helped to sharpen different skills that I think are going to be really essential for being a teacher.
Our students end up doing things with their degrees that are even broader than you might expect. They can market themselves and get a good job right out of the gate when they graduate.
I think it's going to be great for students to be exposed to a fuller breadth of the humanities in a single academic unit on campus and think about how to tackle some of the same big problems through different humanities lenses. And that can all happen now in one place.